Hello everyone! This is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with the red skirt with draping. There will be draping on the back. I remind you that we move the waist darts on the front. Last time I showed you how to make a pattern for this skirt. Today I'm going to show you how to cut and tack it. I will tell you what to pay attention to. After that, Olya will try the skirt on. I need to pin the pattern in such way that the lower part of it is on a grain. The upper parts of the back and the front details are not straight. This is why they can't be pinned on a grain. This is very important, otherwise you won't be able to make a skirt fit you well. Next, I need to pin the back detail. I remind you that I'm making the skirt of modeling fabric. This is why I'm not going to add anything for an overcast. When I finish working, I'll give the pattern to Olya. If she likes the design, she'll make it of other fabric. I'm going to start cutting the skirt soon. I remind you that the lower parts of the front and the back detail should be pinned on a grain. The width of the seams will be 1 centimeter. I'm not going to draw them, so I can start cutting now. I don't add anything here, because I know for sure that I don't need to. I'm cutting the front. I also need to add 1 centimeter to the center front. This is where the dart is now. I'll outline it. The dart will look very beautiful. I want to trace it to the other side. After that, I will start cutting the back. I remind you that there are no darts on the back. They will move to the draping. Learn to work with darts in skirts. This is a very useful technique. You can use it even when sewing skirts without draping. The front is ready. I can move it aside. Next, I'll cut the back. Don't make any sharp angles. Make beautiful round lines. Even if there are sharp angles in the pattern, don't pay attention to them. All the lines in the front and the back pattern should be smooth and beautiful. Watch how I'm cutting. Notice that I'm making beautiful round lines.
А если бы мы не сделали вот эти две контрольные точки,
if there were no checkpoints on the back, and we didn't know the width of the distance between them, we wouldn't be able to sew the skirt accurately.
Ой, мы бы заблудились точно. Чтобы нам вернуться к нашей первоначальной
I remind you that in my case, the distance between the two checkpoints should be 20 centimeters. The skirt will be very beautiful. Let's work with the darts first. I'll detach the patterns and throw them away. If Olya decides to make a skirt, she'll just use the mock-up as a pattern. Very nice. I can start taking the front. First I need to tack the darts. They should be tacked from the tops. Have a look here. I pinned the ends of the dart legs together. I did it for me to tack the darts more conveniently. If one dart leg is longer than the other after taking, I won't be trying to gather or stretch it. This is how the first dart looks like. I try to show you different useful techniques and designs which we create in my fashion house. I hope that you find my tutorials useful. The first dart is ready. Now I can tack the second one. I tack the center front. Next I want to take it to the wrong side for it to fit me better at a fitting. This is how the front looks like. There is a seam on the center front. You can also make a vent on the center front. I love this design. Skirts with vents look very beautiful. We love them. Let's have a look at the front. This is how it looks like now. The darts are very beautiful. I didn't do anything too complicated. I made two cuts and opened them closing the original ones. I stitched this edge from one checkpoint to the other one. I'll show you what to do next. I want to make a concealed zipper in the side seam. It's obvious that I can't make a zipper on the back. I'm taking the center back. I'll show you what to do with the draping. I put a ruler here. Here's the mark 20. The draping should be that wide. I'm not going to do it now, but it's better to steam the draping before fitting. I need to make sure that the draping is 20 centimeters wide. You can see that it's not hard to make the draping this way. I don't want to break the thread. The fabric is very strong. The draping is still 30 centimeters wide. I remind you that it should be 20 centimeters wide. I'm glad that I decided to show you how to make such draping. The back is ready. The front is also ready. Next I'll tack the side seams and Olya will try the skirt on. Very beautiful. I want to check if the checkpoints match. 20 centimeters. Perfect. When I tack the side seams, Olya will try the skirt on. Have a look at Olya. She is wearing the tacked skirt. The skirt fits her perfectly. These darts look pretty interesting. Don't be afraid of working with darts. You can move them wherever you want. I remind you that I moved the waist darts to the center front. Let's have a look at the back. The draping looks absolutely amazing. I recommend making such skirts of soft fabrics. In this case, that would look even better. Such skirts should be tight. If you make a loose skirt, the draping won't look good. This skirt is made of very strong fabric. It would look much better if it was made of softer fabric. I want to pay attention to the fact that even though the fabric is strong, the draping looks very beautiful. The skirt is absolutely amazing. There is the draping on the back, and there are waist darts on the front. When a skirt is made of softer fabrics and it's lined, it will look much better. This skirt isn't even ironed. It should be. The length is perfect. I recommend everyone making such skirts. Don't make pockets or any other details in such skirts. Just overcast them. Turn around, please. I hope that you like the design. It looks very interesting.
Итак, мы с вами дальше
That's all for
будем
today.
работать с драпировками. Я думаю,
I
что
promise
это
to show you some
важно.
other types of draping. Let's be different and beautiful
Поэтому
together.
подписывайтесь на наш канал,
We are Paukšte Irina
заглядывайте в
and
наш
Olya.
интернет-магазин.
Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share
Пользуйтесь
videos,
нашими
press the like and the bell buttons. I
Будьте
really need your
разнообразными.
support.
Всего хорошего. С вами
Thank
были
you.
мы, Паушка
Goodbye.
Михайловна, Оля и вся наша команда.